Today, I'm going to show you how to make a cheese sandwich. Making a cheese sandwich may seem complicated, but it's actually incredibly easy. It's incredibly quick and easy to make, perfect for when you are in a rush and don't have much time to cook. Look how good this sandwich looks. It looks incredibly tasty, doesn't it? Anyone can make it with ease, even if you are a beginner cook. Never cooked before? No problem. This recipe is for you. A cheese sandwich, despite its simplicity, offers a surprising range of benefits that make it a valuable addition to many diets. Often overlooked in flavor of more complex meals, the cheese sandwich combines convenience, nutrition, affordability, and versatility in a way few other foods can match. One of the primary benefits of eating a cheese sandwich is its nutritional value. Cheese is a rich source of protein, calcium, and essential vitamins such as vitamin B12 and vitamin A. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, while calcium supports strong bones and teeth. When paired with bread, especially whole grain or wholemeal varieties, a cheese sandwich also provides carbohydrates, which are the body's main source of energy. Whole grain bread can add fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness that can help prevent overeating. Another advantage is convenience. A cheese sandwich is incredibly quick and easy to prepare, requiring minimal ingredients and no advanced cooking skills. This makes it an ideal option for busy individuals, students, or anyone who needs a fast meal. It can be prepared in minutes, packed for lunch, or eaten on the go. Unlike many ready-made meals or takeaway options, it does not require reheating or special storage conditions for short periods, making it highly practical. Affordability is another key benefit. Compared to many other meal options, cheese sandwiches are relatively inexpensive. Bread and cheese are staple foods in many households and are widely available at low cost. This makes cheese sandwiches an accessible meal choice for people on a budget without sacrificing nutritional value. In times where food costs are rising, simple meals like this can help individuals and families manage their expenses effectively. The versatility of a cheese sandwich also adds to its appeal. While it can be enjoyed in its simplest form, just bread and cheese, it can easily be customized with additional ingredients such as tomatoes, lettuce, ham, or spreads like butter or mustard. It can be toasted for a warm, crispy variation or kept fresh for a lighter option. Different types of cheese, such as cheddar, mozzarella, or Swiss, can change the flavor profile entirely, allowing for variety without much extra effort. Furthermore, cheese sandwiches can contribute to comfort and satisfaction. Many people associate them with childhood, home-cooked meals, or quick snacks, making them a comforting and familiar choice. This psychological aspect of food should not be underestimated, as enjoying what we eat can positively impact mood and overall well-being. In conclusion, the cheese sandwich is much more than a simple meal. Its combination of nutritional benefits, convenience, affordability, and versatility makes it a practical and enjoyable option for people of all ages. Whether as a quick lunch, snack, or part of a larger meal, the humble cheese sandwich proves that even the simplest foods can offer significant value. Now, let's learn how to make one. I'm going to show you how to make one for yourself in the comfort of your own home. I bet you're hungry now, aren't you? Is your mouth watering as much as mine is? Well, it's your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to make one. It's incredibly quick and easy, the perfect meal if you are in a rush. I can't get over how good this sandwich looks. I'm now going to show you how to make a sandwich. How to make a cheese sandwich. It's now time for me to teach you how to make a cheese sandwich. But first, I know what you are probably thinking. Who invented the sandwich? The sandwich is most famously linked to one person, John Montague, 4th Earl of Sandwich. In the 1700s, John Montague was known for spending long hours gambling. Legend says he didn't want to leave the table to eat, so he asked for meat placed between 2 slices of bread. This let him eat with one hand, avoid getting grease on the cards, and keep playing without stopping. Other people started ordering the same as sandwich, and the name stuck. But let's face it, Montague didn't invent the idea of putting food in bread. People had been doing that for centuries. So did he invent the sandwich? Not really. But did he give it a name and make it popular? Absolutely. And for that, we thank him. Now that we got that out of the way, who's hungry? Because I definitely am. Right now, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this delicious sandwich. How to make a cheese sandwich. Let's begin. Right after we have a word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by egg. Egg is good. Egg can be boiled. Egg is tasty. Egg is nutritious. Egg contains protein. Buy egg. Buy lots of egg. Spend your money on egg. To buy egg, simply go to the store and buy egg. And buy egg. Buy egg. buy egg, buy egg, buy egg, buy egg, buy egg, buy egg, buy egg. This is a paid product placement for egg. Buy egg, buy egg, buy egg, buy egg. This is a paid product placement for egg. Without further ado, let's get started. Right after we have a word from our sponsor. Buy egg, 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 buy egg. This is a paid product placement for egg. Buy egg, buy egg, buy egg, buy egg. This is a paid product placement for egg. Buy egg, buy egg. This is a paid product placement for egg. Without further ado, let's get started. How to make a cheese sandwich. To make a sandwich, you will need 2 slices of bread and cheese. For the bread, I recommend using plain white bread, but you can also use whole wheat, multigrain, sourdough, brioche, milk bread, ciabatta, butter bread, or rye. For the cheese, I recommend cheddar, but you can also use Swiss, American cheese, Colby, mozzarella, provolone, Gouda, brie, camembert, cream cheese, ricotta, blue cheese, feta, or Parmesan. It's entirely up to you. Use whatever you like. These are just my recommendations. Let's begin. Simply pick up the cheese. Uh-oh, looks like the cheese is broken. Let's use a new piece of cheese. Oh no, it broke again. Careful, the cheese is delicate. Let's grab another piece. That's perfect. Gently place down the cheese onto a slice of bread. Then simply put the second slice on top. Congratulations! You have successfully made a sandwich. Serve and enjoy your homemade cheese sandwich.